Hi guys, it's Simone. The next thing we're going to learn in our brioche knitting is a increase, which is a bark yarn over bark, and you're going to work this into a bark stitch, logically. So you're going to work up to your knit column, and it's going to make 3 stitches out of 1. So you're going to go into the stitch as if to knit, like you normally would for a bark stitch. You're going to bark it, but leave it on the needle. Then you're going to yarn over and then go back into the same stitch and bark it again. So you're knitting the yarn over together with the stitch together with its yarn over, then you're yarn overing, I don't know if that's a verb, and then you're going back into the same brioche knit stitch and you're brioche knitting it again. All right, let's see that again. So here I have my brioche knit stitch with its yarn over, and because we just did a decrease, it's a bit slanty here. It pulls a bit, but generally, you might do it depending on the pattern. You might do it just in a regular brioche knit column, but we're going to do it into this stitch here. So you're ending with the slip-one yarn over, and you're going to work it into your brioche knit stitch. You're going to brioche knit, yarn over, leaving the original stitch on the needle. You see how I'm just putting the yarn around the needle, and then I'm going back into that same brioche knit stitch and I'm brioche knitting it again. So now there's 3 loops on my needle, and now I'm taking it off the needle. So that made 3 stitches out of your 1 brioche knit stitch. Let's see if I can do it one more time. Slip knit, slip knit. This time for the throwers among us, needle into your brioche knit stitch as if you're normally going to brioche knit it. Leave the stitch on the needle, yarn over, go back into your brioche knit stitch and bring the yarn around again. Now you should have 3 loops on the needle, then you're allowed to take it off. So now you have 3 on here, and you're moving on back to your slip 1, yarn over, knit 1, and on you go.